Hi students, welcome back. We have been studying about the lesson Deep Water written by William Douglas. So in this lesson he had been describing about the incident which happened to him when he was 10 or 11 years old. He decided to learn swimming. So he reached the YMCA swimming pool. It was very safe. Why? Because it was only 2 to 3 feet at the shallow end, while it was 9 feet at the other, and the drop was gradual. So what happened? One day, when he reached there, there was none. The water was still. The tiled bottom was as clear and white as a bathtub. So he did not have the courage to go alone. So he waited for others. I had not been there long when in came. वहां बैठ के ज्यादा टाइम भी हुआ नहीं मैं. Then there came in a big bruiser. Bruiser means a man with a strong muscle. A big bruiser of a boy. एक लड़का है. Big bruiser having strong muscle. Probably 18 years old. He had thick hair on his chest and he was a beautiful physical specimen. Six pack वाला बिल्कुल एक strong muscle वाला एक boy. With legs and arms that showed rippling muscle. Muscle दिखा रहे वहां पे rippling मुंह में muscle दिखा रहे. And he really thought that William Douglas was a swimmer. So he yelled, shouted, "Hey skinny, how would you like to be ducked?" Ducked means jumped. "ए बेटा तुम कैसे पानी में jump करोगे?" ये बोल के with that he picked me up and tossed me into the deep end. उठा के मुझे वहां पे डाला where there were 9 feet. ये 9 फीट वाला गहराई के वहां पे डाला. विलियम डगलस को तैरना नहीं आता. I landed in a sitting position. पानी के ऊपर एक sitting position में आ गया. Swallowed water and went at once to the bottom. एकदम पानी के नीचे की तरफ जा रहे. I was frightened. डर गया, but not get frightened out of my wit, become mad. So when you unexpectedly become frightened, आपके ये क्षमता नष्ट हो जाते हैं how to think, how to deal with the situation. Same thing. लेकिन विलियम डगलस बोर्ड में तो डर गया, लेकिन इतना तो डरा नहीं that I could forget everything. No, मेरा दिमाग इतना खराब नहीं हुआ. On the way down, I plunged. हम पानी के नीचे 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 जा रहे हैं. लेकिन on the way down he plunged. कोई बात नहीं. When my feet hit the bottom, that's an important question. Answer देखना. What was the plan of William Douglas? When my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump. मैं ऐसे एक छलांग मार दूंगा. Come to the surface, lie flat on it, and paddle to the edge of the pool and be safe. यही था plan. What was the plan of William Douglas? When his feet hit the bottom, he would make a sudden jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and paddle to the edge of the pool and be safe. लेकिन पानी में एक बहुत बड़ा 10 किलो का पत्थर डाल कर देखो कैसे जाएगा. It will go very slowly. The same thing happened here. It seemed a long way down. Only 9 feet है, लेकिन वो 9 feet की सफर मेरे लिए एक लंबा सफर हो गया. Those 9 feet were more than 90. वो 9 feet मेरे 90 की तरह लग रहे, क्योंकि अभी तक नीचे नहीं आया. He was moving very slowly. And before I touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. पूरा पानी भर गया lungs में. Before I touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. But कुछ टाइम के बाद he reached the bottom. नीचे तो आ गया. But when my feet hit the bottom, I gathered all my strength and made what I thought was a great spring. मैं सोचा था ये बहुत बड़ा जंप समझ के I made a big jump upwards. I imagined that I would bob to the surface like a cork. Do you know about cork? वो लकड़ी का ढक्कन है, वो पानी के नीचे ले जाओ, छोड़ दो, बुल्लर की तरफ ही जाएगी. And William Douglas here really thought that he would bob to the surface like a cork. लेकिन पानी के नीचे डाके एक दिन जंप करके देखो तो पता चलेगा. Instead, I came up slowly, थोड़ी धीरे ऊपर आ गया. I opened my eyes, आंख खोल के देखा, but saw nothing but water. पानी के अलावा कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रही. Water that had a dirty tint to its distinguished color. एक पीला कलर की पानी, क्योंकि पानी के ऊपर से देखोगे इट वॉज वेरी क्लियर, बट पानी के अंदर जाके आंख खोल के देखो पूरा अनटाइडी पानी की तरह, गंदा पानी की तरह दिखाई दे रहे. I grew panicky. He developed tension. टेंशन आ गया. I reached up as if to grab a rope. क्योंकि स्विमिंग पूल में क्रॉस में रोप लगा कर रखा है. And I tried to get the rope, but my hands clutched only water. ऊपर रोप पकड़ने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन his hands clutched only water. I was suffocating. He lost his power to take a breath. सांस रुक रहे. Then I tried to yell, I tried to shout, लेकिन पानी के अंदर चिल्लाएगा तो क्या होगा? But no sound came out. लेकिन कोई आवाज नहीं आया. Then my eyes and nose came out of the water. धीरे 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 कुछ टाइम के बाद उनका आंख बाहर आ गया पानी से, नाक भी बाहर आ गया, लेकिन चिल्लाने के लिए मुंह बाहर नहीं है, बाकी नाक और आंख बाहर आई. कैसे चिल्लाएगा? I flailed, I paddled at the surface of the water, swallowed and choked, suffocated. He flailed, paddled at the water, suffocation हो रहे. अब 2-3 दिन बच्चा स्विमिंग सीखने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा था, मतलब थोड़ी बहुत तैरना तो आते, but for a better swimming he had to lift his legs up. अच्छा स्विमिंग के लिए लेग्स तो ऊपर लाना पड़ेगा. I tried to bring my legs up. मैं मेरा लेग्स ऊपर लाने के लिए कोशिश किया, but what happened? They hung as dead weights. ये दोनों लेग मरा हुआ वेट जैसे पड़ा है. Totally rigid, paralyzed लेग हुआ हो गया, totally rigid कटक हो गया, पैर लकड़ी की तरह हो गया. ये great force was pulling me under. नीचे से मुझे ऐसे लगा एक खतरनाक फोर्स मुझे नीचे की तरफ खींच रहे. I screamed, मैं चिल्लाया, but only the water heard me. कौन सुनेगा आवाज? Only the water heard my voice. Then I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. दोबारा, when one falls in water, he will come 3 times to the upper part. Here, William Douglas पहली बार तो आ गया, अभी दूसरा journey down to the bottom. I struck at the water as I went down. नीचे जाने के टाइम में कोई लक्ष्य नहीं है. He was beating at the water. कैसे? Expending, using all my strength, मेरा पूरा strength यूज करके, as one in a nightmare fights an irresistible force. आप एक डरावना सपना में एक irresistible force, सपोज एक स्पिरिट आ रहे, एक भूत आ रहे आपको पकड़ने के लिए, so how will you fight with that? So just like that, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? पानी में लड़ रहे हैं. I had lost all my breath. मेरा पूरा सांस रुकी. My lungs ached. Lungs दर्द होने लगे. My head throbbed. Pain हो रहे. Pained. I was getting dizzy. मुझे dizziness आ रहा था. But I remembered the strategy. लेकिन विलियम डगलस फिर बोल रहे, लेकिन मैं वो स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान भूला नहीं. फिर याद आ गया मेरे दिमाग में. What was his strategy? When his feet hit the bottom, he would make a sudden jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and he would paddle to the edge of the pool and be safe. ये plan. And then I would spring from the bottom of the pool and come like a cork to the surface. I would lie flat on the water, strike with my arms and thrash with my legs. Then I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. It's a plan. But I went down endlessly. I opened my eyes. Nothing but water with a yellow glow. पीला कलर की पानी के अलावा कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. पानी के अंदर है. Nothing could be seen. Dark water that one could not see through. इतना डार्क पानी उसमें से कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहे. But when he looked from the top, the water was clean and white as a bathtub. लेकिन पानी के अंदर जाके, now there is movement in water. पानी के अंदर से देखा. He could not see anything. Nothing but water with yellow glow. And then, इतना dark पानी that one could not see through. So William Douglas, he was making his efforts to escape from the awful water. लेकिन क्या करे? Nobody was there to save him. Then what happened? Was he saved? So let us see in the next class. Thank you very much.